What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Juan here today, of course. And today we're going to be actually checking out the Amazon Echo Dot. This is the 4th generation Echo Dot, which is currently on sale on Amazon. It's running for $30 from its usual $50. I guess they're still having like a holiday sale. But that was the main reason why I decided to pick it up. I thought it was a pretty good upgrade from my 1st generation Echo Dot. And for $30, you can't really beat it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, go through the setup process, and then I'm just gonna give you guys kind of like my general first impressions on the device, which I have been using for about 30 minutes to an hour. Again, if you guys have any questions, whatever it may be in regards to the device, let me know down below. I'm always happy to answer all your questions. But let's go ahead and hop into the video. So when I first received the package, first thing I noticed was that the box is pretty small, so I actually had no idea how big this thing was going to be when it came to unboxing time. When I looked at the photos online on the website, you know, of course Amazon, it looked a lot bigger than I thought it would be. But here's the unboxing. It's pretty simple. All you really get is a charging cable, and you get the Echo device as well. I will say that the charging cable, in my opinion, it's a little big. I feel like it's a lot bulkier than I thought it would be for such a small device. I'm not really sure why they designed it this way, but I get, you know, it is what it is. And here is the Dot. Also, it comes with some instruction manuals if you guys really need them. But it's honestly very easy to set up, a lot easier than I thought it would be. There's nothing else in the box. But yeah, here you have the Echo Dot 4th generation. It's a really cool design. I actually really like the kind of egg shape design. It has sort of a mesh feel on top, and then you have those 4 little buttons right there for volume, and for the echo you can mute it there as well. But yeah, so far I really like the design. It's really clean. So if you've already owned a Amazon device in the past and you order it through Amazon, it'll already have all of its settings saved, such as your address, your internet passwords, all of that stuff. So all you really have to do is you just have to plug it in, it'll turn on, and it'll automatically connect to your internet, and just pretty much everything is ready to go right from the box. It's plug and play. I think that's incredibly awesome. It's so seamless.
Hello.
And it's a great experience.
Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your bringing your device online. Just a moment.
What's up? Where are you?
Hello, I'm right here.
So like I said at the beginning of the video, I noticed it was such a small device. I just want to do a little bit of a size comparison. Here is my fist next to it, a little Gears of War mug, and it just shows how small the device is. So it should give you a bit of perspective of how the speaker should sound, which, if I'm being honest, it's a little underwhelming. So yeah, it's small, it's compact, it's pretty much easy to put anywhere around your house and kind of make it fit in. It doesn't really stand out too much, and it's a really clean design, and I love the lights underneath, the little globe. It bounces really well off of my white table. So I think if you're all about aesthetics, this piece of tech will mesh right into your whatever setup you may have, kitchen, living room, bedroom. I think it'll fit pretty well. What sounds can you play?
You can adjust volume to a level between 1 and 10. Try saying, turn it up, or set volume to level 5.
Play rain sounds. Set volume to level 3. Play rainforest sounds. Set volume to level 5. Good night.
Good night. Hope you had a great day.
What's my name?
I'm talking to Juan. This is Juan's account.
How old am I?
I guess it's exactly as many times as you've been around the sun.
How old are you?
I'm 6. I celebrated my golden birthday, which means I turned 6, on the 6th of November.
How much money does Jeff Bezos have?
Jeff Bezos is worth an estimated 185,900,000,000 US dollars.
God damn. Alright, well, that's it. There you go. There you have it, boys. Can you read me Animal Farm?
Resuming Animal Farm in 1984. Mr. Jones of the Manor Farm had locked the hen houses for the night, but was too drunk to remember to shut the pop holes. With the ring of light from his lantern dancing from side to side, he lurched across the yard. Alright, that's going to be it for the video. Hopefully you guys found that a little bit informative. So I will say, overall, I enjoyed the device. I think it is kind of worth around the $30. If you are looking for something to play music in a kind of really good quality, I don't think this product would be for you. If you're looking for something that you can, automate some of your tech products around the house or just use Amazon a lot, I think it's going to be very beneficial for you. Music wise, I think if you want to just put on some headphones, I think that's definitely a better deal. The sound quality is probably my main turn off when it comes to the Amazon Echo Dot 4th Gen. I think it could be a lot better. I don't know, maybe they did it this way, that way you could maybe upgrade to an Amazon Echo. Maybe the sound quality is gonna be a lot better there as well. But yeah, besides that, I kind of like it. I'm not really sure again. I just got it, so I'm gonna give it some more time, and I'll probably give you guys my more in-depth thoughts later on. Maybe, I'm not sure. We'll see if it's even worth revisiting. But I do feel happy that I have this in my collection, just because I do want to automate a lot of things in my room, kind of like my RGB lights and just like my Xbox, stuff like that. Should be pretty cool once it's all done. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, again, let me know down below, but we'll end it here. Take care, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Okay.